Gosht Aloo. Let's make delicious mutton aloo. First add oil in pot. Chopped onions added and let it brown for a while. Add mutton in oil. Cooked well. Add ginger and garlic paste. Add dry coriander cumin. Now they will add water so that the meat is well decomposed. Now added chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Add salt, turmeric, and red chili powder. Now add brown onions. Cooked well. Add potatoes. Add water. Now add homemade spice. Quick and easy to make and very delicious mutton aloo. Add green coriander. Ready for eat. Thanks for watching.